What are the common problems encountered the laser handheld welding machine? 18% of people have encountered this problem. So how can we solve them? Why is there a lot of black smoke during the process? Check for the oil stains on the welding plate. Inspect the lens. Increase the air pressure abnormally. Why does the material burn through during the welding? Reduce power and adjust the focus to the surface of the workpiece. The formation of the weld seam is not aesthetically pleasing. Adjust the center offset of the red light to align it with the center of the welding wire. You can clearly see that after adjustment is much better than before. Have you all learned these tips?